Hello friends, good evening to everyone. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic of diabetes. As most of you people know, diabetes is becoming a big problem in India, and not just in India, across the world as well. The recent surveys by the government of India suggest that around 7 to 7.5 crore population of Indians are suffering from diabetes per se. And it is expected that this number is going to reach up to around 12 to 13 crores in the next 20 years. It's important for us to become aware of diabetes, pre-diabetes, and impaired glucose tolerance. Now, I have mentioned three words. The impaired glucose tolerance is the first stage where you take something and your body is not reacting to it appropriately in terms of the insulin response and the glucose response. That's the first stage. And most of the people do not get this test done at all. In fact, majority of the people don't know that they are suffering from pre-diabetes and diabetes. They go for a routine test with the doctor, and when the doctor tests them for other things, then incidentally the diagnosis of diabetes comes through, or even pre-diabetes comes through. So it's important for us to know that the diabetes per se manifests at three different stages: impaired glucose tolerance, pre-diabetes, and diabetes. So I will try to focus on the aspect of diabetes because whatever is the number of diabetes, the pre-diabetic and the impaired glucose tolerance patients will be almost double the diabetic patients. On an average, if you take the percentage-wise population of India, around 10% of the Indian population seems to be suffering from diabetes. And over a period of time, if you take all the three put together, it is seen that around 22 to 25% of the population is suffering from all these three major disorders. Most of the people think that once you are diabetic for life, nothing can be done about it. But we don't need to feel disheartened. Of late, it has been noticed even by the Allopathic Diabetology Association that you can reverse the diabetes. You can send the diabetes into remission. Like we send the cancer into remission, you can send the diabetes also into remission. All that you need to make sure is that without the help of the medications, over a period of around 3 months, if you can keep your sugar normal and the HbA1c normal, then we can say that your diabetes has gone into remission. Now, what are the criteria for diagnosing diabetes? What are the criteria? What are the predisposing factors? What are the risk factors if you continue to have diabetes as far as other illnesses are concerned? All these issues we will discuss in the subsequent videos. But the essential message that I want to give in this particular video is that most of the people fall under few categories in terms of reversal of diabetes is concerned. As I said earlier on, reversal of diabetes is entirely possible and feasible to most of the people. Now, is there variation in terms of the response of the people for reversal of the program? People who are at a younger age and recently diagnosed, they seems to reverse the diabetes much quicker compared to other people who have had diabetes for about 10, 15, 20 years. But they don't need to feel disheartened because they can also reverse. It's just that it might take a bit longer. The second group, if you are overweight, it's quite likely that you might actually reverse the diabetes earlier compared to the people who are either normal weight or on the lower weight. They might take a bit longer. Thirdly, if it's males, they are likely to reverse it much faster compared to females. Fourthly, people who are under 50 years of age are likely to reverse it much faster as opposed to people above 50 years of age where the reversal might be slightly slower. Fifth point is that people who have hypothyroidism along with diabetes, they seem to kind of respond slowly to the reversal program as opposed to the people who don't have any hypothyroid problem. Now, these are all things that we are actually sharing based on the experience that we've had in terms of the reversal program, which we have been running for quite some time in our clinic. So, the essential point I want you to take away from this video is that diabetes is entirely reversible and it is entirely in your hand. Now, it is heartening to see that some of the doctors are now telling the patients that you need to work on reversal of the diabetes. Now, I just want to give you a clue before I end this video in terms of the reversal program itself. What are the main things? There are around 10 to 11 principles on which you need to work on so that you can reverse the diabetes and you can also be in that particular state for a longer period of time throughout your life. Once you have reversed the diabetes, then you know how to make sure that you don't get the disease back again. Now, these are the principles that we will discuss in due course of time, along with what is the diabetes, what are the criteria for diabetes, and all other things in the subsequent video. Before I end this video, as you are aware, there are two types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes. As far as common people are concerned, the type 1 diabetes is called as insulin dependent diabetes. It tends to manifest in a very young age in children, and they need to go on insulin. Even in those people, we can actually make a dent by modifying some of the lifestyle factors. So we don't need to feel disheartened. And the second thing is the benefit that they get is that they can reduce the dose of the insulin that they are taking, so that they can actually get the benefit of taking the load of insulin, dose of insulin for a longer period of time in your life, in their life. The type 2 diabetes is also has a genetic component to it, but this is more related to the lifestyle factors and cultural and social factors. So there is a much more bigger chance that you are going to reverse the diabetes when you have got type 2 diabetes. With these thoughts, I would want you to live this video with a firm conviction that you should be able to reverse diabetes irrespective of where you are and what you are doing. And we would help you to do it. I will share with you in subsequent videos regarding what are the tests that you need to get, and if you can get those tests and then come and have an appointment with us in our clinic, we should be able to help you to reverse your diabetes within a matter of few months. So I hope that you find this video useful and helpful. I will be in touch with you in subsequent videos. Thank you very much for your time. Namaste.